Hey guys, I'm from Tech Insider India, and this is the Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless Bluetooth headphones.
Today we'll be looking at how to pair your Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless headphone with mic to your smartphone or tablet.
Zeb-Duke Bluetooth headphone. It is available.
Hey guys, I'm from Tech Insider India, and this is the Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless Bluetooth headphones. As you can see, the packaging is pretty interesting. It looks very young and lively. It has a lot of bright colors to it. And then the best thing about this entire package is that you get Bluetooth version 5.0, you get voice assistant support, you get 30+ hours of playback, and finally LED lights. So let's quickly unbox this and check out the tech. And there we go. Comes out, and these are the headphones. There are a bunch of options that these give you. We'll just get to that in just a moment. And these are the different things that come inside this box. So I'm gonna put this aside. So this is your getting started guide or your user manual, and this is your micro USB cable, and this is your AUX cable. Now from the first look, this looks really well built because usually these headbands don't have any kind of padding to it, but this entire thing is nicely padded, even on the top of it. And these earmuffs, well, these are also very well padded, and they are guaranteed to give you some good comfort when you have really long listening sessions. Now on the left ear cup, you have a bunch of buttons. So these buttons let you navigate through your music, accept or decline calls, and also lets you summon the voice assistant, and also lets you turn on these pair of headphones. And then you have these two ports over here as well. One is the AUX port that lets you connect your music through a wire, and then you also have this micro USB port that lets you charge these pair of headphones. Now talking about battery life, you get 30+ hours of playback given that you're listening to music at 50% and you have your LED lights turned off. Now let's check out the LED lights on this. Now let's turn on these lights. So as you can see that these are RGB LED lights, and they look pretty slick coming out of that grill. Now moving on, these also have a dual pairing mode, which means that you can connect to two devices simultaneously, and they also have fast pairing thanks to that Bluetooth 5.0. And that was a quick unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb-Duke Bluetooth headphones. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.
Hi folks, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be looking at how to pair your Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless headphone with mic to your smartphone or tablet. To begin with, first ensure that the Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet is turned on. So we can see over here. Pairing the headset with your smart device for the first time is quite simple and straightforward. On the left side of the headset at the back, you have the power button. Simply press and keep it pressed for 3 seconds until the device powers up. Once the LED light at the bottom starts flashing blue and red like this, you can go ahead and search for the device in your smartphone or tablet. As you can see, Zeb-Duke is available for pairing. Simply tap on it, confirm on the pop-up, and there you go. Your Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless headset is now ready for use. To disconnect it from the device, you can disconnect it directly from your smartphone or tablet itself. You can also simply press the power button on the device itself to switch it off and directly unplug, as you can see over here. Once you have paired the headset with a smartphone or a tablet, the next time it powers on within Bluetooth range, it will connect automatically. Now that we have paired this with this smartphone, if we power it on again, as you can see, it connects automatically and is ready to use. Powering on the headset will also turn on the inbuilt LEDs on the side that you can see over here. And there is no difference in the appearance of the LED when the device is in pairing mode or connected. To check whether your device is in pairing mode, remember the LED indicator at the bottom will be flashing blue and red. If your device is already connected successfully to a smartphone or tablet, this indicator will flash blue slowly once every 5 seconds. And there you have it. That is how you can connect your Zebronics Zeb-Duke wireless headset with mic to your smartphone or tablet. Thank you for watching.
Presenting the Zebronics Zeb-Duke Bluetooth headphone. It is available in black, blue and green color variants. The headphone is available with charging cable and user manual. The product dimensions are 9 by 21 by 22 centimeters. The Zebronics wireless headphone features soft, comfortable cushion ear cups with adjustable headband. It also comes with RGB lights. The headphone comes with a multi-function button to wirelessly answer or reject calls and to control your media playback. Zeb-Duke is equipped with 40mm driver that delivers powerful sound for an immersive audio experience to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. It also features Bluetooth V 5.0 that provides stable and seamless connectivity, ensuring low latency. It also comes with AUX connectivity. The headphones provide a playback time and talk time of up to 30 hours. It comes with an inbuilt mic for hands-free calling experience. It is also voice assistant enabled. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.